Is Bananatic a real way to earn some extra cash online while playing games and doing other small online microtasks, or is it a scam that you should stay away from? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this Bananatic review and tutorial I will give you an inside look so you can see exactly what it offers, so you will know if it will be worth it for you or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other ways to earn some extra cash on the site online. I have now logged into Bananatic, and let me just reveal right away that it is a legit site. You can actually earn on this site, and it is available in more or less all countries. You can either join through the website or you can download the app if you prefer earning on your phone. This does not necessarily mean that it is the right option for you, because it is not really a good option for everybody, but I will show you around and then you can figure that out. So Bananatic is first of all interesting if you like to play games online, and you can see there is a whole game section here, and you can go through a lot of different games and you can see how much you will earn. You will earn some experience points and you will earn some bananas, and that is the currency that they have here on Bananatic, and that can then be exchanged into different rewards, which we will get into later. So the whole setup on Bananatic is more or less like a video game itself. And if you scroll down, you can see there are plenty of games. So if you like playing games, you can definitely find some that you like. And if you then click to play one of them, you can also read the exact conditions here. You need to register here, and then you can see here how much you need to earn. And then once you complete some different quests, then you will earn more. So it has kind of like different levels. And then they have this Bananapedia where you can click and you can actually write an article or a video tutorial about this specific game and earn some extra experience points and some extra bananas by doing that. And that is something that is available for more or less all the games. So the games is definitely the bread and butter of Bananatic, and if you like playing, that is definitely a section you need to check out. But it also has something here called Earn Bananas, where it has other ways to earn. You can also find the different game quests and things like that in here, but there are also other ways to earn. You can, for example, click on this tasks from sponsors, and if you have used get paid to sites before, this will be very familiar for you, because this is basically offer walls that you can find on many other get paid to sites, and you can click and you can see all the different offers you can get here and how much you will get. You will get it in bananas, and how much they are worth we will get to in just a few minutes. But overall there are plenty of get paid to offers here or tasks you can do. So you just need to make sure to read the exact conditions, because sometimes you might not agree to what you need to do, or it might be too much, or you might need to invest something that you're not willing to invest, and all these things. So make sure to read the conditions carefully before taking any of these offers. But if you do, it definitely has quite a lot of different offer walls to take offers from. Also, it has something called a fun zone, and these are smaller games where you can just play directly in the browser here. You can see there are a lot of different little tasks here, and then you can click it and you will get the exact rules for when you will earn. It can be a little bit confusing, to be honest, so you just need to take a little bit of time to see how much you will earn, and it is not super easy to earn. It will take a bit of effort before you will see your earnings add up. But it can be a fun way to earn. So the whole thing about Bananatic is that it's, first of all, if you like playing games and having fun online, then you can earn at the same time, and that is definitely the strength of Bananatic in my opinion. There are different small tasks occasionally where you can earn a bit extra, like small social media tasks. This download apps is basically just an encouragement for you to download the Bananatic apps, and then you can also collect bananas by watching videos, and I just want to show this a bit more in depth because that can also be an interesting way to earn. So basically these are videos from advertisers that would like more views on YouTube, and you can see they have a fun graphic here that looks like you're in the cinema more or less. You basically just click here to play it, and then you will start earning. You can see there's a small counter here, and it of course moves fairly slowly, so it takes quite a bit of effort, and once a video is over you need to click next video to move on to the next one. But there might be some interesting and fun videos for you, and it does not take a lot of effort. Again, it can be entertaining and you will earn at the same time. So the big question is then, how can you get your earnings out once you have earned enough bananas? And you can go to the Spend Banana section here, and again you see this gaming universe where they have it as a map. You can also just get a classic view here, but the map is also kind of fun, but it can of course be a little bit more difficult to get a good overview. But as you can see, they for example offer to pay you through PayPal, so you can get paid in cash, or there are a lot of different gift cards or game codes and things like that you can use. And when you then click PayPal, you can see what the payout threshold is, and you need to earn $20, that is 10,000 bananas, before you can get paid. So that means like 1,000 bananas is worth $2. So once you've earned 500 bananas, that will be worth $1. That also helps you to get an overview when you, for example, see these offers you can take, so you know how much it will be worth. It can be a little bit confusing with this conversion ratio to sit there like how much did I earn, because if you get, for example, like 2,000 bananas for an offer, it sounds like a lot, but it is really not that much anyway. So you just need to have this conversion ratio in the back of your mind when you're taking offers. The payout threshold here is a little bit high, and it will definitely take some effort, so you just need to do it with those expectations and not expect to be able to get paid right away if you want to get paid through PayPal. There definitely are sites where you can earn faster through PayPal. But I also just wanted to show you, for example, if you want to get paid through Amazon, then the payout threshold is only 2,500 bananas. So the payout threshold will depend on your reward. It is just for PayPal, it's quite high. For some of the gift cards and codes and all that, it is significantly lower. So overall, Bananatic is a legit way to earn, and it can be a fun way to earn, especially if you like playing games. It also has other offers and other aspects that are very similar to other get paid to sites, but this whole gaming universe is quite unique. So if you like gaming and if you like to play small online games, then it definitely might be an interesting site for you. You just need to be aware that it will take some patience to earn here, but it can definitely be a fun way to earn. So if you do it with the right expectations, it can be a great opportunity. And if you want to know even more details, and if you want to see how to join, I have information like that, and I have a joining link on my website, so make sure to check that out. You can find the information. I'll leave a link below this video here. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.